Ever pondered on the secret to crafting the perfect American steak right in the comfort of your own home? Well, ponder no more. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind this beloved culinary delight. First, it all starts with choosing the right cut of meat. For a classic American steak, one cannot go wrong with a ribeye, T-bone, or a New York strip. These cuts have a good balance of fat and meat that will give your steak that mouth-watering flavor and tenderness. Next, you'll need to season your steak. Simple is best here. A generous sprinkle of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper will suffice. But remember, always season your steak at least 40 minutes before cooking. This allows the salt to penetrate the meat, enhancing its flavor. Now, onto the cooking process. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add a dash of high smoke point oil like canola or grapeseed, and then place your steak in the pan. Hear that satisfying sizzle? That's the sound of a perfect steak in the making. Cook your steak for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side for medium rare. If you prefer your steak medium, 5 to 6 minutes on each side should do the trick. Remember, a good steak needs a good sear. It's that wonderful caramelization that gives your steak a rich, robust flavor. When your steak is almost done, add a knob of butter, a clove of garlic, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme to the pan. Baste your steak with this flavorful mixture for the last minute of cooking. This will give your steak that final touch of luxury and flavor. Once your steak is cooked to your liking, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, making it even more succulent. There you have it. The secret to making the perfect American steak. It's all about choosing the right cut, seasoning generously, cooking properly, and allowing the steak to rest. Remember, good cooking is as much an art as it is a science. So don't be afraid to experiment and make this recipe your own. Happy cooking and enjoy your perfect steak.